What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I want to give you a small update. I've been getting everything together for my welding booth. So I have actually one more specific item to get. I will have two welders in there, this one and a flux core welder. And my goal is to get my pole made. So I'm gonna make a pole where I can be able to do overhead and adjust it or whatever. And then if you're doing flat or whatever, I'm gonna have the full setup. After I get all the equipment established, then I'm gonna fall back and actually build the booth. So I got an ideal on the design, but I was been going between making it stationary or making it where I can break it down and disassemble it to relocate it somewhere. So I'm up between that right now, but I'm working on a few ideas. So I'm getting everything together. It takes money to make money, as we know. So once you invest in what you got, once you invest in your products, you got to be able to start providing them to keep that ROI coming in. So the goal is to get everything you need to be able to help someone else, to be able to help yourself and keep the ball rolling. Okay.